Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your friend Jim is here to share more about English literature. Today I have selected the topic of my video. You are watching on your screen the modern era, modern age, 1900 to date. Let's start. The modern era chronology. Here we shall discuss only about the literature of the period. John Davidson, 1857 to 1909, his ballad, A Ballad of Heaven, Romney Marsh, The Ballad of Lunette, Bruce and His Testament. Henry James, 1843 to 1916, U.S. British critic and novelist. The American, the European, Daisy Miller, A Bundle of Letters, Washington Square, A London Life, The Two Magics. T.S. Eliot, 1888, 1965, poet critic, The Wasteland, Prufrock, East Cocker, The Dry Salvages. E.M. Foster's 1879 to 1970 novelist, The Passage to India, Where Angels Fear to Tread, Howard's End, The Longest Journey. G.B. Shaw, 1856 to 1970, Irish dramatist and reformer. Pygmalions, Apricot, Dr. Dilemma, Getting Married, Caesar and Cleopatra, Man and Superman, etc. Rudyard Kipling, 1865 to 1936, poet and novelist. Plain Tales from the Hills, Under the Deodar, Soldier 3, The Light That Failed, The Nolika, Captain Courageous, Kim, etc. W.B. Yeats, 1865 to 1939, Irish poet, critic and dramatist. His work, A Vision, The Dinas, The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Poems, later poems, A Wind Among the Reeds, The Stolen Child, Falling of the Leaf, Byzantines, autobiographies, etc. Thanks to watch the video. Subscribe my channel to get more video on English literature. Thanks again.